Are you from Jamaica? Because Jamaica me crazy. Go on then, so we've come to the Island Chef. We're on Langsett Road in Hillsborough, Sheffield, but I've just seen a sign. So, out for delivery, back open 3:30, apologies. So the time is now, it's 2:30. We're going to sit about, wait for an hour. Is it a small independent company? Is it a one-man band? Are they out doing deliveries? Are they out picking food up? Picking stock up? We don't know. But this is what we're all about on this channel. We do like to find these little hidden gems and support these businesses that may not get recognised. I've not seen anyone else who's been here. This is a request from Mr. Rich Grayson. He's been with us for quite a while now. So yeah, we're gonna hang about, sit in car for an hour, wait for him to come and see what they're all about. We've not done a lot of Jamaican food on the channel, so it'd be a nice change. So yeah, we'll come back to you when these guys come back from their trip. So the food has arrived. We've gone for the surf and turf platter, £19.99. So you get peppered steak, you get Cajun prawns, you get plantain, you get rice and peas, you get mac and cheese pie, and then you get jerk chicken. So we're going with the jerk chicken first. Oh wow. Oh wow. So it's marinated in, chicken itself is marinated in the jerk seasoning, and you've also got the jerk sauce on top of it as well. That packs a great punch, that. So we're having a chat with a guy. He's a one-man band. He has got other staff working at night time, but yeah, 62 hours a week this place is open. They've been open 2024, I believe I've read on door. But like, he couldn't find me enough for waiting. I waited an hour for him to come back and get shop back open. But listen, if you're out delivering or you're out picking, whatever you're doing, I don't mind waiting for good food. Oh. Cheers, Tram. So you've got that nice, crispy, melted cheese on top of that creamy macaroni. £19.99. What a bargain. You get in with some of these Cajun prawns. You can pick what flavour you want. You can have hot honey prawns if you want. Oh. I won't be touching any of that cabbage, but £20 box. That's a proper big box. Oh. Oh wow. Oh wow. That peppered steak is thin, but it's really juicy, really tasty. A lovely hint of that pepper. So I'm stood a bit uneven here. What a meal this is. What a meal. I'm not going to go down the road saying it'll feed so many people, because it is a meal for one person. But you best be hungry. Oh my god. So I've not done a lot of Jamaican food on this channel. Is this the best Jamaican spot in Sheffield? The meat's so good, man. It's so tender. But I was two minds. Do I wait an hour for him to get here and then obviously start cooking? Do I come back another day? But I thought I can't. It's one of them, something's telling me you've got to wait, you've got to try it. And I'm glad I have. So we are on Langsett Road. There is parking outside. If you are coming to film, watch out for the trams. Oh. How do they do this sort of food, man? Why is there nothing like this in Rotherham? Oh, I've got a little warm ball in my pocket. You get a dumpling with it as well. Big fat dumpling to mop up all that juice. From that chicken. Look at that. Oh yeah, baby. Oh. Are you from Jamaica? Because Jamaica me crazy. Beautiful this. Listen, I'm going straight to the top with this. I ain't finding. Wait for the tram. I don't think anytime soon I'm going to be finding a Jamaican spot as good as this place. They're so friendly. So friendly. He said, have you been waiting long? I said, oh, about 2:30. He went, really? I went, yeah. He said, oh, thank you for waiting. Like, listen, I don't mind waiting for good food. Obviously, we didn't know if it was good until we got here, but you know when somebody just tells you that it's going to be good, or just hold on, just wait. I waited. The size of that mac and cheese pie, though. I don't want it to fall apart. Oh, there we go. The thickness of that. Beautiful. £19.99. I can't get over at the price of that. Is that cheap? I said to the bloke, I think it's a bit cheap, that. Let me know in the comments, do you think that's cheap? Would you pay £19.99? Should it be more? Should it be less? I think he's underpriced himself a bit. What meat are you getting here? I'm still eating meat. Still 4 pieces of chicken left in there. Loads of steak left. Listen, for me, this was a good recommendation of somebody who's never even tried it. Rich Grayson, he was a follower, now he's a turned friend. We play on game together. We have phone calls and stuff. We talk about food places, etc. He goes past this place every morning and he's told me that I need to try it. He said, I've never tried it. Be my guinea pig. Oh, Rich. Guinea pig approves. So let me tell you. That chicken. It's still going, this chicken. It's still going. I'm literally went out for a curry tonight. That's not happening. That jerk chicken's fire. Oh, that's beautiful. So, enough of me waffling. I'm going to get on with this. I'm going to let you all get back to what you're doing. For me, solid 10 out of 10. I can't go any lower. The price, the value for money, the quality of the food, the customer service, everything from me arriving, well, from him opening the shop to me finishing this video now. Solid 10 out of 10. Bigger boy approves. Biggest digger approves. We'll see you on the next one. Ta-da.